Ever wondered how prepared you are for a hurricane? Hurricanes, these powerful forces of nature, can bring about catastrophic damage if we're not ready. It's not just the storm itself, but the aftermath too. Flooding, power outages, property damage, it's a lot to handle. That's why it's so essential to have a rock-solid plan in place. A plan that shields you, your loved ones, and what you've worked hard for. So, are you ready to take on the storm? Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide to hurricane preparedness. First and foremost, understand the risks. It's vital to be aware of your area's vulnerability to storm surge, flooding, and wind. These are the harsh realities that hurricanes bring, and they can cause significant damage to your property. Stay informed about hurricane categories too. They're not just numbers. They represent escalating levels of potential devastation. Each category increase means more wind speed, more water, and consequently, more destruction. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's your first line of defense. Once you know the risks, it's time to create a plan. This public announcement was brought to you by Florida Superior Painting, where quality and customer service come first. A solid disaster plan can be your lifeline during a hurricane. So, let's talk about some key elements of a solid disaster plan. First, it's crucial to have a list of emergency contacts. This should include local authorities, medical facilities, and family members. Ensure everyone in your household has a copy of this list, so they know who to reach out to if needed. Next, familiarize yourself with evacuation routes. Identify multiple paths to safety from your location, in case the primary route becomes inaccessible. Also, pinpoint safe places within your home. These could be interior rooms with no windows, or your basement if you have one. But remember, having a plan isn't enough. You need to practice it. Regularly run drills with your household so everyone knows what to do and where to go when a storm hits. With your disaster plan in place, you're already one step ahead. Keep it up, and let's move on to the next important step in hurricane preparedness. In the face of a hurricane, an emergency kit is your best friend. Just imagine having a box full of all the essentials, right at your fingertips. Food and water are a given, of course. Think about packing enough non-perishable meals and potable water to last for at least 3 days. Medicine is another crucial component. If you're on daily medication, ensure you have enough to last for an extended period. A basic first aid kit is also a must-have. And let's not forget about important documents. Keep copies of all your vital records in a waterproof container. This includes identification, insurance policies, and medical records. Other necessities might include items like flashlights, batteries, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, and sanitation supplies. You might also want to consider comfort items, like blankets and a change of clothes. Remember, a well-packed emergency kit can make a world of difference during a hurricane. Last but not least, protect your home. It's not just about keeping the rain out, it's about safeguarding your sanctuary from the ravages of hurricane-force winds. Start by checking your insurance coverage. Make sure it's up to date and adequate to cover potential hurricane damage. Next, fortify your home against high winds. Reinforce your garage doors and install storm shutters or plywood over windows. Don't forget to secure loose outdoor items that could become dangerous projectiles. Additionally, creating a home inventory is a smart move. Take a tour of your home, capturing photos or videos of your belongings. This will expedite any insurance claims you may need to make after a storm. Ensure your roof is in good shape too. A well-maintained roof can be the difference between a home that stands strong and one that succumbs to the storm. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to hurricane preparedness. Remember, the key to surviving a hurricane is preparation. This public message was brought to you by Florida Superior Painting, where quality and customer service come first.